Good morning, folks. We're just leaving Derricks Knob Shelter. Sorry you didn't get a wrap-up video last night. But when we showed up to the shelter, unlike the night before, we found out we were sharing it with about 12 of our new best friends. So, a whole group of people posted up there for a day because of the snow. And then others stopped short. So that why got it all backed up. So hopefully we're gonna get out ahead of everybody today and get to Mount Collins shelter. That is it's a pretty ambitious goal. 11 miles a day has just been wiping me out. So and this is gonna be 13. So we'll see how it goes. But also last night was the coldest I have ever slept outdoors. It got down into the teens. 19 degrees, 18 degrees this morning. So, and that was inside the shelter. No telling what it was out here with the wind chill. So, but everything froze. My socks from yesterday, I had them in a Ziploc bag, put them in my bag, my sleeping bag, but they fell out, so they froze solid. All my water froze solid. So it's just been a challenging day so far. Challenging couple days, but we'll get through it. Press on, that's all you can do is just keep hiking north. So, all right, folks, I'm gonna let you go to the next update. All right, so we're sitting here taking a break in one of the shelters. I'm not sure, I can't remember which one this is.
Double Springs.
Double Spring Shelter. And I just wanted to show you how cold it is. So, can you see this? Let me walk out here. That, my friends, is a sock that is frozen solid. So, that is how cold it is out here. So, it's 22 degrees right now. Last night it got down to at least 19. And I mean, we're having a hard time today. Hard time keeping our water bottles from freezing. I mean, they freeze almost instantly. Sorry, that was a chill. They freeze almost instantly. So we've been having a hard time and not drinking enough water for the last couple of days because of that. All right, well, I'm getting cold, so I'm going to shut this off for now. And then we're going to head over Klingman's Dome to Mount Collins today. All right, out here. All right, folks. Walking through a winter wonderland here. It's actually kind of neat if you kind of look behind me. So, we are the only ones who have been on this trail today. Oh, sorry, I'm not used to doing this. We're the only ones who've been on this trail today, so there are no other footprints or anything. So today's been a tough day. I had a bad attitude this morning, so but we've come around. So we're about I don't know, 7-8 miles in. Got 13 to do today, up and over Klingman's Dome, highest point on the AT. But we've been steadily climbing for days now. So, all right, listen, I'm gonna turn the camera around. All right, that's better. It's hard holding your arm up like that. But this has been the trail all day today. So, and it's been snowing since about an hour in. So, but the story is the cold. It's only 20 degrees, 21. So, water, as I mentioned back at the shelter, has just been very difficult. So, thought at one point I was going to have to melt snow, which wouldn't be a problem. I can certainly do that. I have enough fuel. So, but got it worked out. This is a pine forest. It's really neat. So it's almost like a tunnel through here. Christmas tunnel. but it is peaceful. The one thing about the snow is it cushions your footfalls. So, you know, for the past 2 days, or past 3 days, my feet haven't been sore. So, that's nice, I guess. All right, we're heading uphill. So, I'll come back to you later when I get to Klingman's Dome. All right, YouTube family. You guys gotta know I love you. If I went this far out of the way, and I'm walking this far up this dang concrete monstrosity. So, just to give you a view, which we're not gonna have one. So, oh. Oh boy. Holy crap. That wind is terrible. Pretty typical of my hike so far. Not many views. Alright folks, I'm going to do a circle, show you what I can see, and I am heading back down. Alright, out here.